Check out these flush mount plugs I just finished installing. I got these because I live in an older home. You can see where I have baseboard radiators. And my house had these old, like really big two-prong power strips. And the prongs on them, they get loose. And, you know, I just felt like it was time for an upgrade. So I tore that out on this wall. You can see I had the same thing there. So I tore that out and went ahead and installed these surface mount plugs. For one, it gives me, you know, more plugs on this wall at a better, bigger span there. And it was super easy. So my power starts in this one here. So all I had to do was pop off the old ones and the wire comes up. So I mounted the mounting plate onto the wall and had the wire pulled through. And then this track, I just ran it down and put another box there and then another box there. And so pulled my wire through the wall, wired up my plug, and just ran it all the way down. And it works really good. I've been using the plugs I just did it like a couple days ago. So I've been using them for a couple days. And I'm super happy with the overall look and the overall time it took me to install it. It's been one of those things that having these was just a real headache and a pain for me. So, you know, getting this done in the amount of time and money it cost me to do it on my own was just amazing. So I'm super happy with it, and I definitely will be doing the same thing over here on this wall, and I have these like all over my house. So I'll be upgrading everything, all of my baseboard radiator plugs with these. So highly recommend it.